Okay, so 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4. So the first number, right, it's actually decreasing by 1 here. The second number is actually increasing by 1. And we have product of, right, 2, or subtraction of 2 products. All right, B, generalize the pattern by letting the first number in the second bracket be x. So if this is x, okay, going back, we have to add 1, right? We have to add by 1. And then this one here is 1 bigger than this, so it's going to be x plus 2. And this one here is 3 bigger than this, so it's going to be x plus 3. So that's the expression for this pattern here. Okay, so of course we can expand this. So x squared, 2x plus 2. If you expand this, you get minus x squared minus 3x. Okay, if you expand the minus x into the two brackets, or into the bracket with two terms. That cancels out. Okay, 3x minus 3x also cancels out. So we're only left with 2, which means all of these, if you evaluate it, it'll be a constant value of 2. If you did the calculations in part A, you'll see that it matches up. It turns out to be always 2, and this explains it.